Ho, ho, ho! Well, hello there, all you out there in winter wonderlands. Holy smokes, that's that Emerson bourbon. Oh man, oh, that is good stuff. Well, anyway, what I've got happening here is the North Pole is Santa Ernest has brought you a Christmas auction. So what do we have in my goodie bag for our Christmas auction? Let's find out. Well, let's look over here and see what's in here. Oh, holy moly, rockaloli. Oh, look at this one. That's a beauty. Super A100. Damascus blade. Man, that Mr. Emerson, he's been making some pretty nice knives here. Oh boy, that's a real pretty one. I think he said he made the same kind of knife for that guitar guy, Rolling Bones. No, what was it? Rolling Stones. Keith Richards, that's the guy. He made one for him too, long time ago. What else? Holy smoly gadolies. Oh, Emerson moonshiner knife. Boy, is that ever a pretty one. Oh, wow. Beauty, beauty. Oh, man alive. That's a pretty knife right there. Oh, I better wait. I won't be able to finish. Oh, oh, look at what Santa Ernest has got here. Oh, oh, beautiful hammered bronze, mokotai, bolsters, and a hammered secrecy 6 blade. Wow, what a stunner. All anodized and pretty for you at Christmas time. Oh my, oh my. Oh, well, what's this? Oh, why, it's a full dress CQC6. Look at that beauty right there. Man, that's one of the first kind of dressed up knives Mr. Santa, oh, wait a minute, Mr. Emerson has made in the full dress versions of the CQC6. Another real pretty one. Oh, there's a couple more in here. Well, oh, yes, there is. Oh, well, we're back to that bourbon again. Here's the original prototype for the Emerson bourbon knife. When our first batch of bourbon that we made a while back. Can't remember. Getting cloudy at times, you know. No, I better wait. Anyway, well, look here. Oh, what is this? Why, this is a black 6. Oh, wow. Full black checkered handles, black blade. Wow, I know a lot of people really want to get one of these, so I'm going to put this under the tree too at the auction. Oh, well, is there anything left in here? What is this? Oh, why, it's a black CQC5. It's a Black 5 Day. Oh, you know what? Maybe that's what they named Black 5 Day after. That kind of a joke, but I got it. And anyway, CQC5, it's got a skull logo on it, and it's a, look at that, Black 5, Black 6. Don't even think I've ever had, don't ever think Mr. Emerson's ever had those kind of combinations on an auction before, so it's pretty cool. Anyway, Santa Ernest just wants to say to everyone, please have a Merry, Merry Christmas, and don't forget all the tiny tots out there to be sure that you, actually, I won't forget all the tiny tots. Maybe I will. Anyway, I'm bringing all the gifts to all the tiny tots for Christmas this year, so leave me out. Maybe some milk. Oh, maybe you leave me out a little bourbon too, because Santa needs a little thing to kind of get going around the whole world, you know. And some cookies, because man, I need to put on the weight. I'm getting a little skinny. So, Merry Christmas to everyone. Go see the Ernest Emerson Knives auction. It's going on right now. Go over there. See if you want to buy one of these knives on our auction. Merry Christmas.